What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and in this video we're going to talk about how to make $1,000 a day using AI. Now, the best part about this strategy is that you can actually start from nothing. Now, I don't want you to take this the wrong way because this method does take work, but once it's set up, you can use artificial intelligence by using bots to make this money for you so that you're making money on autopilot. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass this over to my friend Chase, who's going to explain in details how this works. Make sure you stick around because this works from literally anywhere in the world.
What's going on, guys? Chase Reiner here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make over $1,000 per day, starting all over with nothing. And the reason why I want to make this video is because I know there are a lot of people who are just starting out and they've never made money online before. Now, I'm going to show you my PayPal account here. I'll actually refresh this so you can see this. And the reason why I want to show you this is because I want you to know that it's possible. I'm not trying to brag to you. I'm not trying to say that I'm this super awesome dude that's making all this money. I want you to know that anybody can do this if they put in the work. And if you don't believe me, you can even look at my older videos on YouTube and see that I started out in a garage. I didn't have anybody help me. I didn't have anybody give me money. I had to figure all of this stuff out on my own. And so I want to prevent you from having to go through all of the things that I had to go through. Now, if you're interested in these types of things, like making money starting from nothing online, and you want to see the tests that I'm running in real time, let me know with the word yes in the comments. Just say yes in the comments if you'd like to be updated with all of the tests that we're running. Now, I'm going to show you how to get started for free, and I'm even going to be giving you a free checklist in the comments. I will leave a link in the comments to a free checklist. It's just a Google spreadsheet. And inside that spreadsheet, I give you over 100 tools that you can get started with promoting for free. And as you start to make money, I'm going to show you how to use bots and automation to do everything for you. So again, if you're interested in these types of things, please take a second, just type yes in the comments. All right, so we're going to start out by heading over to the checklist. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the comments. And this is what the free checklist looks like. Now, all of these tools in here are different tools that you can get paid to promote. So for example, this tool right here, if I click on this and I scroll to the bottom of the website, I can actually sign up to be an affiliate partner. Now, not every single one of these tools is going to allow you to be an affiliate partner. You have to apply. Again, you're not spending any money. You just have to go and enter your information. And if they accept you, they're going to give you a link that looks like, get into here really quick so you can see this. You're going to get a link that looks like this. Now, your link is going to have a different name at the end. So whatever your name is, this is going to be your special link. And anybody who clicks on this link, it's going to track their click within the tool. So here you can see it says 25,855 clicks. That's how many clicks I've gotten on the link for this tool. Now, I also can show you here $4,616 in unpaid earnings. Over the last several months, you can see I've made thousands of dollars just promoting this one tool. Now, what's really cool about this is you don't have to just promote one tool. You could promote this tool and then promote this tool and then promote this tool, and you can keep promoting tools, and eventually you're going to start making a lot of money reoccurring from all these people that are signing up for the tools and staying on the subscriptions of the tools. So if you combine all of the different payments I'm getting between these different affiliate tools along with my own tools that I wound up building as well, I'm making well over $1,000 a day, which is really, really awesome. And I'm actually really fortunate to have figured this out. And I will say that a lot of what I've learned and what I figured out is due to Paul James. Paul is the expert at selling stuff online. And a lot of what I'm going to be teaching you here today is, again, what Paul has actually taught me. All right. So let's talk about signing up for an affiliate link. It's very simple. You're going to go to the different tools in the spreadsheet. You're going to click on them and you're going to scroll to the bottom of the website and ask to become an affiliate. After you do that, what you want to do is you want to actually copy the name of the tool or whatever the description of the tool is, and you want to head over to somewhere like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. It doesn't really matter as long as you can replicate some short form content, because short form content gets an extremely high amount of traction even with brand new accounts. And I'll show you some case studies we're actually working on right now. But if I copy and paste the name of this tool into YouTube, I can click on filters under 4 minutes, and this is going to show me some shorts that people are making. Now, if I don't get it the first time, I can type in Jasper AI tool, because maybe Jasper's a little bit too general here. There's other things named after that word. So here we go. How to use Jasper. Jasper AI writes blog posts. 3 ways I'm using AI to boost my business. So I can take one of these videos, right? Or let's say, oh, this one's about ShineRanker. This is our tool. And so I can copy this video URL, and I can either replicate the video myself for free. I can remake the video, or I can automate it. I can outsource it to other people. And we'll talk more about that in a second. But basically, we set up a special program for people who are interested in joining a live boot camp, which we're going to leave a link in the description of this video that you can join. And in that boot camp, we show you everything you need to do in order to automate your sales, whether you're selling services, whether you're selling affiliates, like the thing that we're showing you here, whether you want to sell your own products. Because again, if you're starting all over and you don't have any money, then the easiest way to start making some money is to just start promoting some tools like this, or to promote your own services. But if you really want to supercharge your progress and you want to see what's working, not just for us, but for our students, you need to check out the link in the description. Now, let me actually show you what's in here really quick, because I want to just quickly guide you through this. We have so many people in here that are using bots. They're using automation to generate leads and to sell things and make their first dollar online. Now, obviously, you want to make more than $1, but if you've never made money online before, this would be an extremely good option for you, just based off all of the proof we have already from people in the program. Okay. So again, check out the link in the description if you would like to check it out. So let's say you start doing a couple of videos. Now let me show you, remember those case studies I was telling you about earlier? Let me show you some of these case studies that we have on brand new YouTube accounts. Look at this. I'm not even doing these videos over here. I have other people that are doing the videos for me. And you know what's weird is short form content, sometimes it does really well, sometimes it doesn't. Look at this. One of the videos we did, 1.2 thousand views. Other videos, 20 views, maybe not as good. Down here, 1,000. One of them got 3,000. But if you do the math on this, let me just break this down really quick. You only need a couple hundred views. Let's say you get 100 views per video on average. You know, you divide the amount of videos that are getting a couple views with the ones that are getting a ton of views. And let's say you get 100 views per video on average. Well, with a brand new account, right, that's actually not bad, because if you get 1,000 views and you can send, let's say, I don't know, let's say 10%, 100 clicks into an offer like this, you're going to see pretty quickly that you're going to start getting sales. That's what I just showed you with one of these examples here. Look at this. This person got 1,200 clicks and they're already making, you know, like $85. Now, look, it's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to just make thousands of dollars overnight. I know $85, it's not that great, but eventually what happens is you start to snowball. You start to build an audience. You start to get more and more traffic that you can control. Because what we're actually looking to do is we're not just looking to build views. Views alone are not going to make us any money. 100 views, 100 clicks, whatever. What's going to make us money, though, is as we start to build a following or an email list, we're going to start being able to control our traffic and sell whatever we want on the back end. Okay. And so what I mean by this is, yeah, maybe we only get a couple clicks and $85 on one of these tools. But imagine if you did this with 10 tools. Okay. Now we're making 85 times 10. Now we're making $850 reoccurring. All right. And so eventually, as you start to build this snowball, you get more and more passive income coming in, and you're not even having to fulfill any of these services. Now, obviously, if you want to build your own products, your own services, and you want to take 100% of the cut. At some point you might, but starting out, if you don't have any products or anything to sell and you don't have the resources to hire a team, just sell other people's products and take a percentage. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. So how do you automate this? That's the real question. And ideally, it's pretty simple. You're using bots to promote the videos for you, and you can hire people to do the videos for you. Now, again, it just depends on how much you want to automate. Obviously, the less time you spend on something, the more money you have to spend. But the less money you have to spend, the more time you have to spend, right? So what do you want? Do you want more time or more money? Obviously, you want to have both at a certain point, but starting out, you usually have to choose between the two. And so if you have a few bucks, again, what I'd recommend is go grab the program to start. Get into the program. We're doing live classes Tuesdays and Thursdays. We even did a live class today, a bonus class, and we even have a done-for-you marketplace that we are allowing people to access inside of the program, where we'll actually help you do the videos. We'll help promote the videos for you. We have bots that we're using to be able to send out messages to millions of websites, and we can actually warm up these accounts and these videos at an accelerated rate. But again, if you want to see what's going on, I highly recommend you get in. Go to the link in the description. But how does this work from a long-term standpoint? Remember, what we're doing is we're not just promoting videos. We're not just building TikTok accounts or any of that. We're sending people to an opt-in. Like, let's say I sent people to this opt-in, right? Let's say they want to list in my tools. They have to enter their email first, okay? And so what we actually show you is how to set up an opt-in, how to get people to opt in with their email to learn more about this tool, and then sign up with your affiliate link. And then how to follow up with them on the back end. Because obviously, you're going to want to also send some emails telling them about how great these tools are. And what a lot of people don't realize is a lot of these tools have something called a swipe file. That means they'll give you a file that you just load up into your email software, and it will actually automatically email people with, different things like case studies. And let's see if I can show you assets here. And this is just, again, one of the tools. Look at this. If I go to email swipes, here's a bunch of emails that once somebody opts in, I can have this automatically close them on the tool. Okay. And so this is just the tip of the iceberg. What I'm showing you is really just the start of what's possible. What I'm sharing with you here has single-handedly made me over $1 million this year, with a lot of it just being automation. I don't work a tremendously large amount of time every day. I spend a couple hours a day doing some TikTok videos, some YouTube shorts, and I do a couple videos like this, and I send out some emails. It's not extremely complicated. Once you understand it, it is going to help you get to the next level, because you're going to really be able to automate anything you want to sell online. Again, whether it's services, whether it's products, whether it's anything. And again, if you join this program, you're going to see inside of our group, we have a group where people are posting tons of different success stories. We've only been running this for about a week inside the private boot camp. And it's crazy how many people I'm waking up every single day and seeing another success story of somebody that's just starting out, never made any money online before. And they're taking the methods and they're already seeing progress. They're seeing leads come in. They're seeing sales come in. Let me show you just some of the people in here really quick. Look at this. We got Chad right here saying, I have spent 4 hours ago, I have spent $20,000 on training programs, so I can tell you from experience that Chase and Ryan offer life-changing opportunity unlike anything I've ever seen. Honestly, I feel super lucky every day for the opportunity to be here. Without this support, all I can say is good luck. I highly doubt you will ever make it. I feel bad for saying it, but it's the truth. And so again, like these people in here, they're in the program, they're taking action, and they are getting leads. And so if you want to have basically an unfair cheat code, you need to go to the link in the description and you need to get set up as soon as possible, because the price goes up almost every single week. Every 5 days, the price goes up because we're adding more stuff in here. We're giving away stuff. We're doing as much as we can to make sure people are successful, but we don't have unlimited opportunity. You have to take advantage of the opportunity. Nothing lasts forever. Okay. And so we're finding that this is probably one of the best things you can get started with if you've never made $1 online before. And so if you want to see the free training we've done and you want to check it out, again, go to the link in the description. I don't think you'll be disappointed. But thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one. And thanks, Paul, for letting me be here. We'll see you. And until then, happy money making. See you guys. Bye.